Hey, I'm Nicole, and this is our Real Estate Minute. What is a home inspection? A home inspection is the visual examination of the physical structure and systems of a house, from the roof to the foundation. A home inspection covers everything from the plumbing to the structural components of a house. This is great when buying or selling because you can see everything that needs to be resolved before you purchase or sell. So how much does a home inspection typically cost? The average home inspection runs between $300 and $500, but it really all depends on the size of your home. Many people think you either pass or fail a home inspection, but that isn't the case at all. A home inspector will describe the physical condition of the house and indicate what needs to be repaired or replaced. Therefore, it is impossible to fail a home inspection. Your real estate expert will usually recommend a home inspector they trust. Here at Jeff Cook Real Estate, we trust on-the-square home inspections to ensure our clients the best evaluation of their home. If you have any questions about your home buying or selling process, call us today at 888-JCRE Nation, and we'll see you next time on the Real Estate Minute.